It's August 29th this morning, and I am here in Anaconda, Montana. And this morning I will be hiking to the summit of Mount Haggin. Mount Haggin sits at 10,600 feet. The trail to the summit is 7.5 miles, and the elevation gain is 5,100 feet. I'll be on this trail for about 5 miles until I hit Hearst Lake, and then I will be shooting up to the right and just climbing scree for 2.5 miles till I hit the summit. Well, I'm at the 3-mile mark right now, and the trail has been lovely. Super well groomed. The hike just came into the trees about 1.5 miles back, and it's been at a steady 30-degree pitch the whole time. So a little bit of calf workout, but very nice trail. All right, I am at 5.5 miles right now, and I just got to Hearst Lake. So I'm going to sit down, take a sip of water, eat some food, and then we are pushing right up there, Haggin Peak. So I'm at 9,000 feet right now, and I ran into this really nice, perfectly flat little collecting area for water in the springtime. It's all dried up, it's got some nice grass, sitting down. I'm gonna take a short break, and then it's pretty much time to push up the scree field for the next 1,200 vertical feet. I'm about 1/2 mile from the summit, so I'm kind of just pushing my way up this little scree field here. All right, I am at the summit of Mount Haggin. I'm standing at 10,600 feet, and the trail itself was about 8.5 miles, not 7.5 miles, and the altitude gain was 5,100 feet, and it took me about 7 hours to get up here. It's a super difficult hike. I would say don't do it if you're a beginner, but super rewarding. The views are awesome.